This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable microphone access in Windows 10. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To enable or disable microphone access, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower left-hand corner of my taskbar, down to the little start icon. I'm going to right-click on the start icon. I'm going to go up to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up, you want to scroll down to where you see Privacy, and you want to click on Privacy. Then the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to scroll down to the App Permissions section, and in the App Permissions section right here is Microphone. You want to click on Microphone. And then at the top it says Microphone. Allow access to the microphone on this device. It says my microphone access for this device is currently on. If I wanted to change that, I would click on Change. A little dialog box will pop open saying microphone access for this device is on. It's currently on. If I wanted to turn it off, I would just click on this toggle here to turn it off. But I'm going to leave mine on. And then down below that it says allow apps to access your microphone. If this is turned on, then apps will have access to your microphone. And you can scroll down even further and it tells you which apps have access to your microphone. You can turn them on or off by clicking on the toggle. And if you scroll down even further, it says allow desktop apps to access your microphone. If this is toggled on, apps that are on your desktop will have access to your microphone. That is how to enable or disable microphone access in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.